Right, okay, this is another trick that I picked up on. So, soldering iron measure is hot. Now, my one is at 480. It's a bit too hot, but I'm a bit pantsy. So what you do, make sure you got a load of that. Now, watch out, though. This stuff is corrosive. Nobody told me that either. Okay, so if you leave this stuff on electrical circuits, then it will corrode. Okay, I learned the hard way. So you're lucky. Right, anyway, I'm going to tip it. So basically, what I'm doing is just on the tip of the soldering iron, I am putting a tiny bit of solder. And believe it or not, for some reason, this makes your life 20 million times easier. You're welcome.